What's up everyone, today I'm gonna teach you how to draw Mickey Mouse. If you are new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow my tutorials with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayon. So I'm gonna start with drawing his head shape. So I'm gonna draw a circular shape right there. And at that point, I'm gonna draw another circle for his ear. It's more like an oval actually. So and ends at that point, and I'm just gonna continue the line of the head across. And at this point, I'm gonna draw another oval shape. And then going back to the front of the face, I'm gonna draw his snout around this point right here, and I'm gonna draw a curved line right there. And then for his mouth, I'm gonna draw another curved line on this side, and we're gonna make a turn down and circling below right there. And I'm gonna add a curved line bracket at that corner right there. And then for the lower part of the mouth, I'm gonna take the same point right here and draw a curved line downwards and turn it back on the side. And inside of the mouth, I'm gonna draw a curved line from the center and to the side, and another curved line at this corner right here. And then on this side, I'm gonna add a curved line down, and then from this point at the side of that curved line, I'm gonna trace the lower curved line of the mouth across all the way to the other side right there. And for his hand, I'm gonna draw a curved line out and diagonally slightly to the ear right there. And then at this point will be his glove, so I'm gonna draw across a semicircle line right there. And then from the palm point, I'm gonna draw a circle line up and to the side, and then back down. And then I'm gonna make a semicircle turn for the point, for the tip of the finger. Then we're gonna draw his other finger at this point right here, and another finger at this corner and slightly upwards, and his thumb with a curved line out and up, and a semicircle turn back down, and another curved line at the palm right there. Now for the ear, I'm gonna continue that line downwards all the way to the palm, all the way to the side of the palm right there. And for the outer line of the arm, I'm gonna draw a curved line out from this point, and it's gonna be slightly flared out at the palm right there. So for the back, for his back, I'm gonna draw a curved line at the side there, And then I'm going back to the nose and I'm gonna draw an oval shape with the top part slightly bigger, like that. And then I'm gonna draw his other arm, so I'm gonna draw a curved line right there, and for the inner line I'm gonna draw a curved line down from that point and all the way to the side of the chin, and from this point I'm gonna draw a curved line to the front of his tummy, and we're gonna make a circular shape at the front, and then we're gonna leave a gap there and continue that line across right there. And I'm gonna draw a curved line from this corner right here down, and then turn it to the right there. And for the other side of the pants, for the short, I'm gonna draw a line there, and we're gonna draw across another curved line. Now going back to the other arm, I'm gonna add a circular line across at this point. And surrounding the wrist, I'm gonna draw a circular shape right there. And then for the side, I'm gonna draw a curved line up, and then a curved line out to the side, and semicircle tip right there, and back to the side of the palm, and 2 lines for the palms in the middle, like that, and a curved line out for the finger at the corner and turn it back in, and another finger slightly seen at the side there. Now around his waist, slightly above it, I'm gonna draw a curved line across right there, and in front of his tummy I'm gonna draw an oval shape right there, and another oval shape right there. Now for his face, I'm gonna draw a curved line from this point down, and then I'm gonna make a sharp turn back up, and then I'm gonna make another turn back down at the side of the face right there, and then I'm gonna make a sharp turn back to the right and down towards the arm right there. And for the side of the face, I'm gonna draw a curved line right here and a short curved line right there. Now for his eyes, I'm gonna draw an oval shape at this corner right here above his snout, and at the lower right corner I'm gonna add a small oval and fill that in with black color, and another oval, a full oval at this point right here. And another oval at the corner of the eye there. Okay, now for his leg, I'm gonna draw a curved line out from the side of the shorts, and at the base I'm gonna add a semicircle line across and a circle surrounding that base right there, and at the side I'm gonna add a curved line right here, to the right and a circular tip of the shoe and go back to the left side right there. And on top I'm gonna add a curved line across. Now we're gonna do the left leg. So the upper part would be so much similar like that. And a curved line to the left in a semicircle, turn back to the right like that. And for his tail I'm going to draw a curved line at the side of his leg here and turn it outwards and slightly upwards at the tip. And I'm gonna thicken the side which is closer to the leg and thinner at the tip. Okay. And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoy it and find my lessons helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to drop your requests, suggestions or any other comments in the comment section below. See you next time.